Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another video. Uh, yeah, check it out, right? So today is uh Tuesday, September 10th, 2024, 3:58 p.m. Right? I haven't taken a single trade this whole week, and I'm about to show y'all. I haven't taken a trade, but I'm gonna give you a market recap of what happened and what I saw, and that could potentially help you out, right? So this is the account right here. As you can tell, let's go to close positions. No trades since last week. Literally, you can see right here. No trades since last week. So, yeah, since the 6th. So no trade. All right, cool. So let's get into the market. What do I see, right? First, let me delete this. We'll go to the higher time frame. So as you guys watched in my previous video about the market analysis for the week, I was planning on selling for the week, right? On silver, I'm looking to sell overall, even though the weekly is bullish, but the daily and the 4 hours they're bearish. So I'm looking to sell, right? So yesterday there was no trade. The last week, you can tell market made this order block right here on the 15 minute. So yesterday I was waiting for price to pull out to the order block. It never pulled out to the order block. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. That's fine. But this last night it was making big moves towards it. So I was like, okay, good, that's fine. I come to the market this morning. Let me just replay it right here. Cool. So I come to the market at my usual time. Actually, I came to the market at 6:30-ish today because I put my alarm and market wasn't even close to the area. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. So price pulled back to the area, retested like this. What I do? I waited patiently, right? Sorry, let me go down to a 15 minute to show you this. So it retested the area. Now, gave me this strong bearish engulfing candle right here. Now, normally in the past, this is where I would take the trade out, right? I would take the trade right here, and I would be aiming for somewhere down here. Yeah, I would be aiming for down here. Now, let me explain to y'all what happened, right? So, reason I didn't take this trade is because, yes, the 15 minutes shifted. Yes, but the 30 minute it shifted. So I'm like, okay, cool. The 15 minutes shifted and the 30 minutes shifted. So now I'm if the 30 minutes shifts as well, I'm more confident in this trade. But overall, I was looking at the 1 hour because if y'all remember, like 2 videos ago, I took a trade. I went down, I found an order block on 15 minutes. Cool. Then what I do? Let me just erase this. I waited for price, come back to order block, reject it, give me my interest in no. Strong bearish and go for candle. But what I do? I took the trade. Cool. Right when I took the trade, obviously it reversed on me and we straight up just lost, right? Now, why shouldn't I have taken this trade? We were bullish on a 1 hour, right? And a 4 hour as well. Now, I put this here and when I took the trade, I knew we are gonna sell. Well, based on what the market sold me at, I knew it was gonna sell from the daily. So when I took the trade, I thought the trade would just continue flowing. Market is gonna do whatever it wants to do, right? You can only have an analysis of what's gonna happen. So I thought that market was gonna flow, and I was gonna stay up till price closed below here, which gives me my shift to structure in the 1 hour. Once the 1 hour shift, I know the 15 minute already shift, the 30 minute already shift, the 1 hour shift, it's only a matter of time before price keeps going to the downside and the 4 hour shifts as well. And there was no shift to structure. There was a shift to structure on the 15 minute, but not on the 30 minute or the hour. And we ended up losing that trade immediately. So I learned from that. I told myself, okay, cool. I'm gonna wait for the 30 minute to shift structure or the 1 hour to shift structure. So as you can tell, the 1 hour shift is structure all the way down here. So me, let me just show you. All right, look out where the 30 minute shift is structure. All the way down here. There's this higher low, higher high, shifted, lower high, lower low. I'm not about to take this trade right here and put this stop loss all the way up here just to take it down here. I'm not gonna do that. That's not good risk to reward. So what I do? I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I'm gonna wait for a pullback to retest this area right here. Sorry. To retest this area. So price already broke down, right? Shift the structure, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. Broke below, so I'm gonna wait for it to retest and then continue to the downside, right? But guess what market did? Nothing. Just kept going. And this is the part where your emotions come into play, right? You start having fear, which I did have. I was like, wow, I'm really about to miss out on this big move. like I'm really about to miss out on this trade that's playing out in front of me because I didn't want to take it. But I have to say to my risk management, my discipline, this is it. When you're having a trade like this and you have FOMO and stuff, and it's telling you, hey, get in the trade to make some profits. I tell myself, okay, do I really want to take a cool shower later because of this? I don't. This is not like if we miss this trade, cool. We'll come back another day. We'll take another trade. So trade was fun, right? And honestly, I was waiting for the pullback, like I always do. Like I was waiting for it, and we got to 15 minute, a pullback, broke past it, didn't respect it, and then did whatever. At that point, I was not interested in the trade. Now, 3 reasons why I didn't take the trade. One, trade was not in my session. Look, this happened at 9 o'clock. I would not be trading at 9 o'clock. So I should not have taken this trade, which I didn't take the trade. So I wouldn't have taken this trade. Number two, it never pulled back like I wanted it to. So I wouldn't have taken the trade. That would have been greed or FOMO. And then three, market was moving pretty fast. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. I just let it play out. Now, while this was happening, if you go on gold, literally same thing was happening on gold. Let's go back here. All right, let me delete this. I'm gonna explain why that box is there in a little bit. Cool. So on gold, literally the same area on the 15 minute. So what am I waiting for? Has to come pull back to it, which it did eventually. Boom, right here. Now gold was a little more easier, but like I told you, I need that shift to structure on the 30 minute or the 1 hour. So as you can tell, 15 minute shift is structure. 30 minute has not shifted structure yet. 1 hour has not shifted structure yet. So I was waiting patiently for price to break below here, wait for the retest to take the trade like this. Same thing I just explained to you on silver, right? That's literally what I'm waiting on. And then price did this, and then 1 hour. Literally, I thought the 1 hour was gonna shift structure. This is why you wait for the candlestick to close before you take a trade. If I had taken this trade, I would have been drawdown. I would have lost this trade because I would have taken it right at the bottom just to get wicked out. And then I would have been mad at myself because, Mo, why did you get greedy? Why did you have FOMO? Why couldn't you control yourself to take this trade? I would have been mad at myself because I lost, right? Now, that's the thing with FOMO and greed, like, especially with silver, because I would have taken this on silver over gold. Like, y'all see how they're very similar? Very similar. So that's how I like it. But I would have taken this on silver. And the thing with that is, with FOMO is, when you take a trade and you win, it's cool. It's whatever, right? You don't really care. But when you lose, that's when you start telling yourself, why did I take that trade? It didn't flow in my trading plan. It was out of my session. Why did I take that trade? And that's what I want you guys to see. Like, emotions play a big part in this. And I'm glad I didn't take this trade. Now, another thing I wanted to show y'all that I've been working on recently is called cognitive bias, right? It's when you come to the market and you have an analysis that, hey, market is gonna go bearish. Like, I'm looking to sell overall, right? And you're so locked into that, oh, I'm looking to sell, I'm looking to buy. Like, you don't see the market from what it's telling you and the opposite side of what you're trying to do, right? So I'm trying to sell overall, right? My overall goal is to pull back to this area of interest to sell, which it did beautifully. But along the way, I could have caught like an easy buy back to the area of interest. Or there's a way that the chart was telling me, hey, today I'm not selling. I'm looking to buy today, right? Cool. So why did I mark this up? Well, if you go to the 15 minute, you can tell 15-minute order block right here. Now this, I wouldn't have realized this if I wasn't looking at gold. This is why cross pair correlation or SMT, whatever they use, it's very important, right? Very important. So I'm looking at gold, right? Gold overall, like, look at it. 4 hour shifted bullish. Silver, 4 hour shifted bullish as well. But gold is already bullish on the daily and the weekly. So bullish, like, you'd be looking to buy on gold. Silver is bullish on the weekly, but daily is bearish. So I'm looking more to sell. But gold shifted bullish. So now it's telling me, okay, cool. We're most likely going to be buying, right? I'm still looking to sell from that area. But overall, I know we're trying to buy. So cool. Gold does its thing, right? I see this order block on gold. And what did the market do? Hold up. Let me just show you. Beautiful order block on gold right here. Let me delete this. So price did exactly what I thought it would. Came to the area of interest. Sold from it. Came to the... Wait, was it this one? No, it was this one over here. Well, there's two order blocks. But it respected one over the other. There you go. It broke past this. Yeah, I remember. It broke past this one, but respected the second one. So price did exactly what I thought it would from the area of interest. Sold from it. Pulled back to this area of interest. So I'm thinking, okay, well, cool. We're looking to sell until I realize, oh, the order block is here. So like the trend, the bullish trend is still active. Price literally came back, retested the order block, and it continued its way up. Cool. Now, while this was happening, and it was rejecting its order block, in my head, I'm thinking, okay, this is happening. Maybe it's on silver as well. Oh man, look at this on silver. Literally same thing. This order block was right here. I didn't notice it, but I noticed it on gold, right? Gold was telling me I'm looking to buy. Silver, I was still trying to sell. I don't know why. I don't know. I bet I got it now. I don't understand it now. But yeah, silver also pulled the order block and then reversed instantly. Now, if I were to take this trade, I would have taken it right here when this candlestick closed. Stop loss at 150. Right? Yeah, 150. And I would be looking to take the trade all the way down here. That's a 1 to 5, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 1 to 4.6, right? So price would have came back here, would have started retracing, and guess what I would have done? I would have waited for price to pull back to this area. Let me just, like I wanted to retest before. I would have waited for price to pull back to this area just for the break above and then close all the way up here. Then I would have closed with like $300, $400 instead of being up. How much is this? A 1 to 2.5, so 2,500. Because I would have put 1%. I would have risked 1,000 with it. So I would close with a few $100 over a few $1,000, right? So I'm glad I didn't take this trade. It was outside my time frame. And that's cool. I learned something valuable. I learned that you need to be able to adjust to the market and see the market from both sides, right? Because I'm looking to sell overall, but the market is telling me, hey, we're going up. We're being bullish. So, and thanks to gold for showing me that. And honestly, I would not have taken this trade on gold. I just don't like the way like it shifted structure way too late. And the 1 hour didn't even shift structure. It made like a long wick. This is exactly how I knew we were being bullish. Because when the 1 hour closed all the way up here, I was like, okay, yeah, that's a pin bar. That's a hammer. It's definitely keep going up. So yeah. Learning a lot of stuff today. A lot of stuff that I've been reading in books. And I'm seeing it work. I'm seeing it play out. So no trade on Monday, no trade on Tuesday. I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video because I'm gonna do some editing to it. That's all. But yeah, tomorrow we have CPI, which lucky I'm excited for because yeah, tomorrow we have CPI. So we'll see how that affects the market, and then we have crude oil, inventories, whatever that is. Also, I've been looking at oil, to trade oil, and I don't know, it's decent. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm still focused on gold and silver. So news tomorrow. I'm excited to trade news tomorrow. If there is no setup, then we don't take a trade. If there is a setup, then we'll take a trade. It is what it is. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and God bless you, man. Keep going.